Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Hope you all are doing well. I've got a 2019 Western Star Daycab glider kit to show you. Gonna do a full walk around, show you what we've got. We've got plenty of trucks in stock, but gonna focus in on this 19 this morning for you. Built with a factory reman, Detroit. The truck was put together by Lone Star Truck Group. We've got a Pre-Emission 12.7, 10-speed, and a wet kit. Only 217,000 original miles. Got it fired up and hot this morning, showing you blow by and oil pressure. Hydraulic tank on this side. If you need a good pre-emission work truck, this is it. Lower miles, wet kit. Later model Daycab. Does have a blockable fifth wheel. They're great for end up. Take a look here on the inside. Really clean on the inside. Guys, if you got any specific questions on this one or any of the other ones that you see out here, you can always call me at or text me at 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. There's the total miles there. Just about at operating temp there. Very smooth through the RPMs. Very responsive. Gotta love trucks like this without the def or any drag on your engine there. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions, reach out to me. I'll get it for you. Thanks for watching.